Oh my god, y'all look a mess, girl. But hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. And on today's video, this is the start of I'm gonna be looking at this screen a lot, so y'all just please bear with me, okay? I'm so excited. So I just got a new camera. This is the camera I got here. Very non-expensive camera, but for vlogging and me taking my Instagram pictures outside, I think this is a good camera. I just let it charge for a while, and then I'm just now trying it out. So let me prop y'all up properly. Let me close my blinds. So again, thank you guys for watching. This is the beginning of the week for my first vlogs. So yeah, I'll see how you guys like it. See you guys in the next clip. Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. And on today's video, we are vlogging. Of course, if you guys don't know, I do work at a call center now, and I'm in training to go home, and I kind of enjoy it, to be honest. So this is my outfit today. Set you guys up. So I just got on this top from Rainbow, these pants from Woohoo, and yeah.
Two people lay their frontals on the table when they apply. Like, don't do that, because unless you just not, you know, you're not clumsy. I don't know. I feel like you could take a chance of it pressing through. All right. So don't lay it down and apply it. Okay. So I basically like to pin mine to the side. Sometimes if I'm in the salon or whatever, I don't know if y'all can see this, but I'll lean against a table and then I'll apply it like that. But you can use your mannequin stand too. pin it to the side because I don't want it pressed against anything. I'm gonna do a wig too. I'm gonna bleach a wig and show you how to do that too, because I've been seeing people like apply it to, like they'll put it on the little head. I seen little videos and I'm like, ooh, you dangerous. This is what I see them doing. They apply the bleach just like that. Like, you can take a chance of pressing. Good. Yep. And it'll bleed. So don't do it like that. So I'm gonna do this one too. I got one already prepared, so I'll be able to do questions.
So hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, and look what we have. Packages. So I just received my, well, I think it's only one of my orders from Shein, and I think these are all like the coats and jackets I picked out. Oh yeah, they packed it. Man, they don't play. So what I'm gonna do now is set up the camera to do a try on haul, and we are gonna try these clothes on. So good morning guys, I just woke up. Well, not really just woke up, but I brushed my teeth and washed my face already and grabbed my laptop to edit to finish editing my Shein haul. So I'm gonna let that edit. It is 7:37 on a Saturday morning, and I have stuff to do today. I got into a car accident about 2 weeks ago, and today my car is finally finished getting a repair. So I have to take my rental back that I have, pick up my car, bring my car back home, and me and my mom going to do a little shopping today. So you guys will see that. We have to finish getting things for Thanksgiving, because Thanksgiving is next week. I need to see if I'm gonna get some new decorations for my tree this year, because it's very generic. I was trying to wait until I move, but I need to do it now. I have to get my tree out of the garage, go to at home, go to Walmart and probably Sam's Club and maybe even Target. So we're gonna be busy today, okay? So yeah, come along for the vlog today. I have to drop this car off and go and pick up my car. So that's where I'm headed.
So, alright.
You gonna give me a call? It's gonna be the next week, right?
It'll be, yep.
Thank you.
That places don't open up till, oh, can I have you move real quick? You gotta get out of here.
We going, you dropping it off?
Yeah. Mama, dang, they did good.
Hey, do you,
He snapped. Ooh, he got me right. Yes, sir. Make sure you guys come to Meticulous Auto and Truck and Body. He's the owner there. His name is Brent.
Usually a pair of fronts is $100.
So we just made it to at home. Can you guys see? One of my favorite stores, waiting on Slowpoke. Since I record and she's just trying to look cute. Mama, wear your mask. Wow. Oh, no purse because you too so you too cute for a purse. Mama, that is not the same here.
how come it ain't?
You bought a wig from somewhere. I hope they don't say nothing about recording. Because we do be giving them publicity, to be honest. Y'all, I'm going to take a picture of my outfit. I need to take it now, but... Why at home got these lines? Like it just be so packed.
Right.
Mama, get a cart. Mama, the dirtiest cart.
Take that out for me.
I gotta do the dirty stuff. So, y'all know how at home looks. Oh, Mom.
Ain't gonna be the comforter.
Mama, this the $40?
Glenda,
I should get this, Mom.
let's go down here. Where the comforters? Let's go to the comforter.
You said what's Dynasty? Mama, another one.
Look at this one.
Mama, this $40.
Glenda.
Mama, I really should get this. Y'all want to see my outfit?
Look at this one right here.
So I got on my Shein coat. Huh. No, Mom, that's not the one. Why that's $40?
Maybe the wife gonna burn this one.
Mama, that ain't no.
He messed my whole pot up.
Mama, why you getting blue? And not the gray? Because all your stuff is not, Mama, we trying to be more colored. They can't, Mama, this $40, I really need to get one.
Go ahead and get it.
Mama. Oh, they got candles. Let's see. What? This peppermint. Cinnamon. What? For what? Who that's for? You just got some. Candle? Did you see Casanova's new candle she just got? Did you see it? Her friend brought her? Oh, I'm gonna put my mask on. Mama, look, they said starting at 14th. Mama, that's them down there. They better stop playing.
Oh, this little skinny one right there.
Mama, no.
$14?
70.
Oh, big no. Sliding. Slipping and sliding.
Okay, y'all, now we in Home Goods. Oh, we gotta go around more. I keep forgetting. I gotta take some more.
Over here.
I was finna tell you, but you ain't come around.
Coming over at 3:30, Kayla. Gonna get wasted. I don't want to be wasted at 6:30. We're paying $250. Wasted before you even get here.
Mama, get a basket. See, this one cute. What is going on here?
It's not wide open at the top.
It don't got no price though.
How much is it?
It don't have. I'm finna see.
Look on the other one. There's a matching one right back there.
Mama, why are you stressing me? Oh, I think about it. Leave it in there. Y'all be, everybody be in your face when you got a camera. Like we in 2000. People vlog now. Okay? People vlog for a living. This how we make money. Yeah. So hey you guys, I just came back from the store probably 2 or 3 hours ago. And now I'm going to get ready to put my tree up. I'm going to show you guys all the new stuff I got. And because I'm changing my decor for Christmas this year. And I'm just going to show you the new stuff that I have. So I came home a little while ago and I'm just going to show you guys a few things that I picked up today from Target, At Home, and Family Dollar. So this is my wreath that I'm going to use minus this bow. Yeah, I can. Shoot. Oh yeah. This from Family Dollar, so it's kind of cheaply made, but I'm gonna spruce it up a little bit. So yeah, this is coming off. I'm gonna cut this off And then I'm going to add a few more things to it. So even without this, to me, it looks really good. But of course, I want to spruce it up just a little bit more. So I got that. And then I'm just picking up randomly. So these I got from Family Dollar. These are LED snowflake lights. So I'm going to put some of these on my tree. And then I'm going to put these, I think, as well. And these are not LED. But I think the way that I was thinking this would go is because they droop. They're like string lights. They'll cover more of the tree without using so many lights. So I got these. These were $8. The LED was $5. But if I like these more, I'm going to go back and get more of these. And then I also got these. So I just got 3 different kinds. Record. And these are a little warmer. And I'm just going to see how these look. I'm kind of thinking I'm going to have to go back and get some more of these. Because these are, you don't have to plug them in. So, darn Steve. Can you move over? You don't need to get in. You're not doing nothing.
I'm sorry.
I got 2 new toothbrushes for me and my daughter. You supposed to change out your toothbrushes, I think once or twice a month or something like that, huh? Put that in the bathroom.
Okay. Oh, don't smack in the camera.
No. I got the wire edge ribbon. And these were just $1 each because my mom was looking for some my mom was looking for some garland, I think it's called, the old school stuff, and I'm like, Mom, that's old, like nobody. No, these. This is really pretty. This was only $3. Eventually this light is probably gonna go out, but it's still cute because I could probably get another pack of these and put them on the little rod to still make it light up. So I got 2 of these. Oh!
Mom.
Wow. Half of the snow came out. Wow.
Mom.
Wow. Y'all know I'm a planner girl. I done showed y'all planners and notebooks and stuff, so I had to re-up for the holiday. This is for every day to go on my wallet. This is for my house and stuff like that, and this is gonna be more for like YouTube. And so is this booklet to plan out videos. And then I got some pens. And I found this. So I was looking for a bottom of the tree thing, but I just thought, why not use this little throw and just wrap it around the tree? I think this is gonna be really cute. This from Home Goods. It was only $20. I just think it's so nice. You can even get these and use it for like a runner or something. So I got this. This is gonna be so cute. And then last thing that's new I got was my new decor bulbs and stuff like that. I got this from At Home. That's one of me and my mom's favorite stores. So I got these, and I'm gonna mix them with these other ones I got. Oh, I got more stuff in here. So they're like light blue, silver, clear, and white with these, because eventually the living room, my beauty room in my new home will be more of the darker ones, and then I'll use the lighter ones here with these. I think it's still gonna turn out cute to blend the two together. So so 2 packs of makeup wipes, y'all know, you know, gotta stay with those. And then I got these little things to go around here, to go around this tree, just to spruce it up just a little bit. I bought 1 pack for each. I may need to go back and get another one for each, but we'll see. These were $1 from Target. And then I got 2 of these candles. I've been loving candles lately, and this is the Apple Blossom Breeze from Target. It came like this. It smells so, it smells so good. So I'm gonna burn this while we put up the tree. That is really it, you guys. We're gonna put the tree up. I guess the tree will be a new vlog, starting a new vlog, because I want to get the haul up with my week that I just finished. So then next Sunday is going to be the vlog that I'm going to start right now. So thank you guys for watching this week's vlog, and we will see you next Sunday.